Good morning, fourth graders, and happy e-learning Friday. Today is Friday, October 2nd. For your work today, you did get a piece of paper with the assignments I'd like you to complete. There is no math homework unless you get a message from me saying you need to finish a math placement test. Make sure you complete all of the items highlighted in yellow, okay? If you lost your sheet, remember you can always get into our Bitmoji classroom in the homeroom course in Kickstand. And down, if you click on my computer, I showed you guys yesterday how to do that. You can click on my computer, and then that document will come up with the assignments that you need to finish. I will be available today. If you have questions, you can shoot me a message in Kickstand on Class Dojo. I will be here. Happy learning!